How's it going, everybody? Today I want to talk to you about bending and folding paper. I hope the video doesn't look too ridiculous because I'm doing it on white paper, so I hope you can see the folds and bends that I make. I put this little stormtrooper head here so you knew you're in the right video series. I can move him out of the way. Now, I'm going to talk about giving the paper a slight bend or curve to it right now. What I want to do is you want to get a nice soft surface underneath. So I'm not going to do it on the table because what I want is I want that paper to actually be able to hold a curve to it like this. Right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this little bookmaking tool. Right? You don't need to use this. This is equally as good and it's 1,000 times cheaper. So I'm going to take my paper right on the edge of this spongy surface, and I'm just going to try and give a bend to it. So all I'm going to do is press into the surface, and essentially, almost like working metal, I'm forcing that paper to kind of adopt a bend. Alright, so this is nice if you want to do like slight curves and everything like that. Like I said, it might be a horrible demonstration in this video on the white paper, but I can make my paper bend like that. Okay, now, the next thing I want to talk about is folding paper. One of the first things you want to do when we fold paper is just go like this and put a fold in there, right? And what that does is gives you this nasty line work on your paper. Okay, and all these dents. So the way I like to fold paper, I'm going to start the same way for the project, creating the area I wish to fold. And then I'm going to get the tool, press it into the paper, and kind of work out any damage that happens to the paper when I press down, and rework it, and essentially the paper will get a nicer consistent fold. So if you need to put a bend in your paper, like let's say you're creating a building edge or anything like that, it's good to really work down that fold so it's nice, crisp, and pristine. Alright, one more thing you can do with paper. You guys have a wonderful day.